Alright guys, welcome again. This is Isa from PrintStick and this is part number 2 on how to set up my student digital planner in GoodNotes. So once you've downloaded all of the files that you need for the student planner, then you are ready to start decorating it. So I'm gonna start by the beginning. I really like to set up this main page nicely. I kind of do it every month. So right now we are on the month of October. So the very first thing I will do is add a title here that will say October. So to do that, I'm actually going to open my other app, Graphic. I will create a new document, blank, open it, and then just click on your text icon, and I'm just gonna type out the word October, double tap to select the whole thing, and then click where it says the name of the font, and here you can scroll and see all of the fonts that you have installed on your iPad. Right now, let me try some different styles. I think I'm gonna use that one. Alright, so for this particular font, it's a little bit odd. As you can see, the top of the letters is outside of the frame, and that means that if I copy this word and I paste it on my planner, it's actually going to be incomplete. The top part is out of the frame, so we don't want that. So to fix it, just go back to Graphic, and then you will need to turn this into kind of like a paragraph. So go to the beginning of your word, just hit enter, and that will actually lower the word. Let me make this smaller, and then as you can see, the word was lowered, so that means that this whole word will be complete when I copy it and paste it onto GoodNotes. So to copy, you click on the top left section of the page, you have this clip icon, tap there, then hit copy, close this app, go back to GoodNotes, tap and hold, and click on paste. And then I have my October word. If I drag these blue dots, I can make this word bigger. I can rearrange, and I highly recommend that you crop it. So to do that, just tap on the word again, select crop, and then just bring this box right at the edges of the word, and that will actually get rid of the extra space. Perfect. And the reason why we do that is because if I use my lasso tool to select the word, and let's say that I had all this much of extra box, I would actually select the word even if I didn't mean to. So if I had a widget over here, I would accidentally also select the word, and it gets kind of tricky. So just crop it down, and then you will be able to select only the word. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to add is one of these super cute calendars. I'm actually going to add the calendar for October because that's the month that we're at. So just copy it from your library and paste it onto your first page and set it down there. Next, I'm gonna find another widget. You can actually also use your pencil, and I might do that right now. Let me see what it looks like. You can tap and hold on it, click on edit, and then with this green dot, use it to rotate it to the side a little bit. Maybe make it a little bit bigger, and keep playing with it until you see a position that you like. I think that can work, but now it's of course covering my calendar, so I'm just going to resize this one and bring it down here. Let me look for a different widget. I'm gonna copy these top priorities because I like to have those goals for every month clearly over here in my front page. So just make it a little bit bigger, maybe there. And I feel like this corner can have something else, so I'm just gonna keep scrolling through my widgets. And I've always loved these like sticky notes in the shape of a flower so much, so let's do maybe this orange color, copy it, go back, tap and hold, click on paste, and you can resize a little bit. I'm going to rotate my pencil a little tiny bit so it's more vertical and I have more room for my widgets, and I can align them a little bit like this. Make my calendar a tiny bit smaller. Perfect. And now I'm actually traveling this month, so I want to keep the dates of this month that I'm traveling highlighted on this tiny calendar. So to do that, I'm gonna actually use my highlighter tool right here. So pick a color that you want, maybe this blue, and then just test the size. That is too small, so bring this slider to the right a little bit to make it bigger. Try again. I think that works. So my dates will be from 14th to the 22nd. And that's a quick way of remembering that, oh, those are the days that I'm gone. Perfect. Now, if you want to decorate the other pages of your planner, I'm going to go to the month of October since that's where we're at. Normally, what I do is I copy these widgets and I place them right here at the bottom in my widget area. And I start decorating my pages. I don't want to make these videos super long, so I'm just showing you how I would do it. Kind of quickly. I normally write my inspirational quotes on these banners, so you can write whatever you want. Obviously, maybe take some more time and make it a little prettier. Then here you can write any note, any reminder that you need. And you can keep adding widgets to this area. Of course, if you wanted to use stickers, just open your sticker book. If you click on the top left corner where all these 4 squares are, you can see a preview of all of the stickers that you have, so you can easily access each of the pages. Once you find a sticker that you like, just use your lasso tool to select that sticker, tap on it once and click on copy, go back to your planner, tap and hold, click on paste, and then you can reposition your sticker just by dragging it. If you tap once more and click on resize, you can resize the sticker and place it where you want it. And this is basically how you would start decorating all of the pages of this planner. For a full walkthrough of this planner, please follow the link that I'm gonna leave down below to my other video where I explain exactly everything that's included. So that was it for this video. I hope you got some ideas and inspiration on how to decorate and use your own planner. If you like what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up to let me know. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any digital planning videos that I upload. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!